Welcome to BotBee. Today in this video we will see how to send Facebook leads to Google Sheet and send WhatsApp message automatically to the users. Effortlessly manage your Facebook leads by automatically sending them to Google Sheets. With this integration, you can keep track of your leads in real time, organize them efficiently, and streamline your follow-up process. Say goodbye to manual data entry and hello to a seamless workflow. First, go to business.facebook.com. In left side menu, select All Tools, and then select Instant Forms. Select CRM Setup tab. Then select the Google Sheet from the available options. Click the Sign in with Google. And then select New Integration. Here you have to paste the Google Sheet URL. Go the Google Sheet. And then copy the Google Sheet URL, then paste the URL here. Hit Next. Give the permission for access Google Sheet. Then select the sheet, and then select the lead form. If you want, you can sync the existing lead to Google Sheet. Click the Send a Test Lead to the Google Spreadsheet button to get the sample data. Yes, sample data received successfully. In Google Sheet, select Extension, and then select App Script. Paste the script that is provided by BotBee. Please contact BotBee support team for script. Replace the webhook URL. For creating webhook URL, first go to BotBee dashboard. Go to Bot Manager, and then select Message Template. Click Create button. Yes, message template approved successfully. Now go to Webhook Workflow. Give a name for Webhook Workflow, and then select Bot Account. Then select Message Template we created. Click Create Workflow button. Copy the webhook URL. Go to App Script, and then change the webhook URL. And then save the script. In left sidebar, select the trigger. Click Add Trigger button. Select function to run as setup trigger. And then select event type as on change. Now go to Google Sheet and enter sample data. Refresh the app script page. Yes, data triggered successfully. Delete the setup trigger, and keep only one on-change trigger. Now go to Sheet. Again, enter sample data. Yes, data captured successfully. Now fetch the data to the field. For remove the plus sign, we need to create the formatter. Select action as trim left and enter plus sign. If you want, you can assign the label. Save workflow. Now go to Google Sheet and test the workflow by providing sample data. Yes, we received the webhook response from Sheet. Yes, we received the WhatsApp message. So this is how you can send the Facebook leads to Google Sheet and send the automated WhatsApp message. Thank you for watching the video.